There are over 13,000 people in Dorset with dementia, and most never need any specialist inpatient or hospital stays. But for some people, a relatively small number, the experience of living with dementia can lead to some very distressing or disturbing experiences. Some people's behaviour may become very difficult. They may be prone to experience hallucinations or severe disturbances of mood. And there's a relatively small proportion of people where a spell in hospital to treat those aspects of their dementia is important. In the past, we tended to admit more people than we're doing now. I think there was a general feeling that admission to hospital was a good thing, but I think increasingly we're finding that if you have dementia, if you have difficulty with memory and concentration, then a strange environment can add to your distress rather than improve it. So we try and avoid hospital admission wherever possible. So increasingly the trend is to try and treat people at home, whether that's with home visiting or an intensive support team, which has been very successful in Dorset. So even though the number of people with dementia is going up, the number of beds we use is going down. What that does mean is that those people who are admitted tend to have very severe difficulties, and they require very specialist staff. So we're taking the step of really concentrating the inpatient beds on one site. The wards in Blandford and Weymouth were closed some time ago because it's quite difficult to find the sort of specialist skilled staff to do this sort of work. So really formalising that, looking at a single specialist centre on the Alderney Hospital site that would care for people with dementia who have particularly special needs.